Привіт-привіт! My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video lesson, I'm going to teach you some medical terms and phrases. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. Поїхали! Let's get it started. So guys, I want to thank you so much everybody who helps Ukrainian refugees, who helps Ukrainian army, who support us in these super difficult times for us, and I hope these expressions will be very useful for you. I know that you ask me so much to make a video lesson about it, so let's do it. So if you want to ask somebody in Ukrainian language, are you sick? You should say ви хворі, are you sick? But ви хворі, I used here the pronoun ви, and you know that this is plural pronoun you, or we use it when we have a formal way of addressing. But if it is informal one, you have to say ти хворий, or ти хвора, ти хворий, ти хвора, и. This is a masculine gender ending, and this is a feminine gender ending. So keep in mind that when you ask the questions, you can use whether plural pronoun ви or singular pronoun ти. Also, ви is a formal one and ти is informal one. But I just give you first examples with the formal and informal one, and then I will just use formal one. And I think it is more appropriate in this kind of conversations to use a formal one. So, again, I sick. Ви хворі, or ти хворий, masculine, ти хворий, and ти хвора, a feminine one. Do you need medicine? Вам потрібні ліки. Вам потрібні ліки, formal one, or тобі потрібні ліки. Тобі потрібні ліки, informal one. Let's continue. I heard. Ви поранені. Ви поранені. I heard. Ви поранені. The next one. Is your arm, leg, bone broken? У вас зламана рука, нога, кістка. Again, let me repeat one more time. У вас зламана рука, нога, кістка. So, у вас зламана is your broken, and then you just add a part of the body. Yes, like рука, it means hand, нога, it means leg, and bone means кістка. Кістка. And when you hear the answer, I've got a pain in my, for example, back, chest, waist, we say у мене болить. I've got a pain. У мене болить. For example, I've got a pain in my back. У мене болить спина. I've got a pain in my chest. У мене болить грудина. Or I've got a pain in my waist. У мене болить поперек. У мене болить поперек. The next question. Do you have a fever? У вас жар. У вас жар. Do you have a fever? У вас жар. Жар. Fever. Are you bleeding? У вас йде кров. У вас йде кров. Are you bleeding? У вас йде кров. The next one. Do you need bandages? Вам потрібні бинти. Вам потрібні бинти. Let's repeat one more time. Do you need bandages? Вам потрібні бинти. Do you have any allergies? Or, for example, are you allergic to anything? It sounds in Ukrainian language as Чи у вас є алергія на щось? Чи у вас є алергія на щось? Так, алергія, allergy. It's very easy to remember and understand this word. Let's repeat one more time. Чи у вас є алергія на щось? And the answer can be I'm allergic to antibiotics. У мене є алергія на антибіотики. У мене є алергія на антибіотики. У мене є алергія, I'm allergic, на antibiotic, to antibiotics. So actually many medical terms can be easy to understand because all they are borrowed from Latin language, and our medical students, they learn Latin language at university, so I think you can understand the meaning of many terms or medicine, so it won't be a big deal. Let's continue. How can I help you? You can ask. Чим я можу вам допомогти? Чим я можу вам допомогти? Чим я можу вам допомогти? What are your symptoms? Які у вас симптоми? Які у вас симптоми? Symptoms, симптоми. Again, easy to remember, easy to understand this word. Symptoms, симптоми. The next one. I've been feeling sick. Мені стало погано. Мені стало погано. Так, I've been feeling sick. Мені стало погано. I've been having headaches. У мене болить голова. У мене болить голова. So, у мене болить, it means I've been having, or у мене болить, болить is like ache. Yes, like, and then you can see болить голова, голова. Head, болить like headache. It means ache or hurt. Yes, the word болить. The next one. I'm asthmatic. Я астматик. Я астматик. Я астматик. Or I'm diabetic. Я диабетик. Я диабетик. Я диабетик. I'm epileptic. Я epileptic. Я epileptic. So again, asthmatic, diabetic, epileptic, easy to remember and understand in Ukrainian language. It's asthmatic, diabetic, epileptic. Another one. I need another inhaler. Мені потрібен інший інгалятор. Мені потрібен інший інгалятор. Or I need some more insulin. Мені потрібен ще трохи інсуліну. Мені потрібен ще трохи інсуліну. The next one. I'm having difficulty breathing. I have difficulty breathing. Мені важко дихати. To breathe – дихати. Мені важко дихати. Мені важко дихати. I've been feeling very tired. Я відчуваю себе дуже втомленим. This is втомленим masculine gender ending. Я відчуваю себе дуже втомлений. And я почуваю себе дуже втомленою. This ending OU used for feminine gender nouns. Я відчуваю себе дуже втомленим. Masculine. Втомленою feminine. Okay, let's continue. I've been having difficulty sleeping. I've been having difficulty sleeping. Я погано сплю. Я погано сплю. Спати, to sleep. Yes, you should know this verb. Я погано сплю. The next one. How long have you been feeling like this? Як довго ви почуваєте себе так? Як довго ви почуваєте себе так? Почувати, it means to feel. Так, почувати себе, literal it means to feel yourself. We use this reflexive verb себе when we talk about the verb to feel. Як довго ви почуваєте себе так? And the last expression that I would like to teach you today is, are you on any sort of medication? Are you on any sort of medication? Ви приймаєте якісь ліки. Ви приймаєте якісь ліки. Ви приймаєте якісь ліки. So guys, I taught you the most useful, the most popular phrases, expressions, and some medical terms. I know that many volunteers from Europe, United States come to Ukraine and help our military people, and I know that you have some certification how to help as the medical worker, so I believe you will find these terms very useful. And if you would like me to record some other useful expressions or topics in Ukrainian, please let me know in the comments below, or you can send me an email. If you want to learn Ukrainian language, I invite you to check out my online Ukrainian language course from absolute beginner to confident speaker. Currently, you can sign up for the course and get the package newbie, or the 6th edition of the course will be launched on the 22nd of August, so you can sign up for it now. But if you want to learn Ukrainian language more intensively, if you want to have an individual plan and you consider for you it is much better to have individual private lessons with a professional native teacher, then I invite you to book trial lesson. It costs only $1. All information, all learning resources, free ones, you can find on my website speaky.com. This is my school, Speak Ukrainian. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for supporting me on Patreon. Thank you for buying stuff for my charity store, Buy T-shirts, Save Ukrainian Life. Please subscribe to my Instagram account, Speak Ukrainian Language. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much. We will win very soon together, and we will celebrate it also together. See you in Ukraine one day. Слава Україні. Па-па. Bye-bye.